I'm going to show you how to embed a video. So you need to make sure that you're on your course, and you want to make sure that this turn editing on is on, so that you get the button add an activity or resource. So you can do two things. You can add the video on your actual course page by adding a label. So add an activity resource, add a label, add, and then you get this text box. So we need to enter an HTML code. So we're going to click the down arrow, and we're going to click this button here. So this gives us a different view. So now we need to get the code. So my video is coming out of YouTube. So if you have a video in YouTube that you want to embed, go to the video, you click on the share button, embed link, and then here is your link. So we're going to copy it. So I'm going to hit Control-C or Command-C on a Mac. Or you can also hit this copy button here. Go back to my label, and I'm going to paste it in here. So I'm going to do Control-V to paste. And now you'll see my code. And I'm going to hit this button again and see how it displays. So now I can see my video in there. If you want it to be centered, you can click the video, you can center it, however you want it to go. So then I'm going to hit save and return. And now you see it's on the front course page. If you don't want it to be here and you want it to actually be something where you click inside, you can embed the video in almost anything. So let's try, I'm going to do a Moodle page. So as always, I have to name it. And you have two things here. We have description and page content. This is what's going to show up on your page. So I'm actually going to paste my code here. So again, click that button. Control-V to paste my code in. Hit the button again. Make sure it displays. I'm going to save and display to see what it looks like. And here's my video. So if I go back to my week, I can see the Moodle page. You have to click into it, and then you see the video. And that's embedded. Keep in mind, you can also probably do this with a quiz. You can do it with an assignment where you have a video and then they might have to submit something afterwards. You can do it with a forum in the description. So many options. And that's it.